How to fix AION 2 crashing or not launching or opening problem. So if you want to fix AION 2 crashing or not launching or opening problem, then what you need to do is first, you need to upgrade the hardware. Older hardware may struggle with modern games like AION 2, leading to crashes due to overheating or insufficient resources. You need to focus on these components, which is first CPU. You need to upgrade to a newer model like Intel i7 or i9 or AMD Ryzen 7 or 9 for smoother gameplay. Next, we have GPU. Invest in a dedicated graphics card, for example, NVIDIA RTX 3060 Plus or AMD RX 6700 Plus to handle high-quality rendering. Third, we have RAM. Increase to 16 GB or higher to prevent memory overload. Next, you need to update your drivers. Outdated drivers often cause crashes by failing to support the game's requirements. Prioritize these updates, which is graphics drivers, and then chipset drivers, and audio and network drivers. For graphic drivers, you need to download the latest version from NVIDIA or AMD. And for chipset drivers, you need to update via your motherboard manufacturer's website. And for audio or network drivers, you need to ensure they are compatible with your OS version. With these, you'll be able to fix AION 2 crashing or not launching or not opening. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.